Do you know that the cracking sound from your joints is actually caused by gas? Inside your joints is a special fluid that contains gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. When you stretch or crack your fingers, the pressure inside the joint suddenly drops. This causes the dissolved gases to form tiny bubbles almost instantly, and that's where the famous pop comes from. So every time you crack your knuckles, you're not breaking bones or grinding joints together. You're basically creating tiny gas bubbles inside your joints. For years, people thought knuckle cracking caused arthritis, but studies have found no strong evidence that it does. So that weird cracking sound? It's mostly just gas making a dramatic exit. Subscribe